Khedira and the flip over the top. PK, oh, he's lost the ball. Big chance for a second here. Cristiano Ronaldo takes his time, still got time. Oh, 2-0. Dreadful defending from Barcelona. He had all of the time in the world.
Unbelievable. And just look at Gerard Piqué. Both
In the name of Allah. Hello dear friends. Welcome to this tutorial clip. What do you want to say this tutorial clip? In fact, I want to tutorial clip header. In this clip, I want to tutorial start source code. You see header menu, cart, checkout, term, condition. Header menu include 3 sections: top section, second section or middle section, and bottom section. In this clip, tutorial clip source code top section. Now let's go into editors. We need div class. For example, Clipamooz header section. In fact, in digital store header section, in all of the items in header section. Okay, create div class Clipamooz header section, and 3 section div class header top, Clipamooz header top, Clipamooz header main, Clipamooz header bottom. 3rd section create. The first Clipamooz header top. We need div class container. In container we need div class roof. Okay, come back to design and you see 2 columns, column left and column right. Okay, 2 columns. Added div class column G6, column D6, column MS6, column 12. Div class column G6, column D6, column MS6, column 12. Okay, 2 column, and in this section we need nav ULLI. In LI we need a href, for example cart, checkout, terms and conditions, and contact us. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Let's go to source code and copy nav, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, refresh, change cart block, about us, login, and register. Okay, test. Now we need the first column float left and column 2 float right. Okay, refresh. Now design CSS code and go to CSS style.less. Before run, typing source code headers, we need to reset code. The first Google search, reset CSS. Okay, it's good. Copy. And create CSS list, new style sheet, reset. Okay, Control V, and in style import reset list. Okay, it's good. Continue. Clipamooz header section. Come back, index HTML, Clipamooz header section. Okay. In this Clipamooz header section includes Clipamooz header top. Copy. Okay. With 100%. Display inline block. Background color number 16 B8 EA. Font size .9 rem. Line height 1. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Background color is okay. Continue. Now CSS index section, Clipamooz header top, container roof, and call nav ul and li. Okay, we need CSS li. Control D, Control Shift, cursor down. Nav ul li. Float left, list style now. Now Control D, we need to nav ulli and a. Okay, display block, refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Padding 10 px, padding 10 px, and color FFF. Okay, refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Continue a hover. Control D, a hover, color number 0D1A22. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Now you see in font not one. What's happened? Click right, inspect element, and check font body. Robot black, but not wrong. Why not? And go to source code, because font dot less not important, not import in style less. Okay, after reset less, Control D, and added font. Okay, font dot less, it's wrong, and refresh, it's good. Okay, robot black is wrong until the same digital store. Okay, it's good. Thank you very much for this clip, and goodbye to next clip. Goodbye.